Okay, so this is just going to show you guys what I've been making. This is a do-it-yourself jib crane, or camera jib, and as you can see, got our counterweight at this end, and theoretically we'd have our camera on that end, and as you can see, it's quite smooth. The other video I posted up shows some of the shots you can do with this, and now I'm going to talk about just the design really quick here. So I'm using, this is basically 2 by 1 inch aluminum rectangular tubing, and it's 1/8 an inch thick. It's pretty sturdy. I went with this just because it felt like it wasn't going to flex with the amount of load I was going to put on it. And so I've got that held together with cross posts here, same exact tubing going across, and then I also have 5/16 threaded rods going all the way through to either side to hold that together. And then for my counterbalance here at the end, I basically have a threaded rod, and then that's drilled through these cross posts, so it's in 2 places to make it nice and sturdy, and it holds up quite well. And then moving forward along this, these posts, by the way, are 6 feet long, so this is 2 feet hanging off the back side, and I've got a 4 feet reach on the front side there. And then so moving up here, we have our bearing, and this is just a skate bearing right here, and there's one on either side, the inside and the outside, and that's drilled halfway through the 1/8 tubing, and that's what's holding it in there, and then it's rotating just on a single bolt through. And I've got this in an underslung position, so it's hanging down, as you can see. And then on my center pivot point, I've got my nice trusty heavy duty speaker stand right here, which was like $20. And then on my center bearing right here, I have a nice big mounted bearing, which is quite smooth, as you can see. And then that's just held onto the top with a wing nut here. And then as we move forward to this end, we've got another brace. And then all the way up here at the front, we've got our mount plate for the camera. So the camera would sit right on there, and I've got a weight there just to counterbalance it for now instead of using the camera. And then we've got more bearings up at the front, and that's allowing it to pivot on those bearings. So it's going to be able to move up and down and be nice and smooth, as you can see, without any problems. So please take a look at my other video if you want to see some of the shots that this can do. It's held together quite well, and I basically only use bolts because I didn't have access to welding supplies to weld the aluminum. So that's the project. Thanks for taking a look. Be sure to watch the other video.